Konnichiwa.
I'm Sachiko. This is Ato-chan, my daughter. Today, I'd like to show you how to make omelette rice. A rice omelette very popular among Japanese children.
Today we're going to make an egg omelet and Japanese fried rice that our friends Sachiko and Oto-chan in Japan showed us and asked us to make for them. Yeah, you should visit their Instagram page at the Lovers Japanese Food. They make all kinds of cute dishes. So today we're gonna make an egg omelet, and then what are we gonna put on top? Let's give it a try. Are you ready? Okay.
Here's the ingredients. Rice,
and we're gonna flavor the rice with
tomato ketchup,
ketchup and tonkatsu sauce. Yeah.
stocks, consomme, and eggs.
And then we're going to add some little decorations with carrots and daikon, and we're gonna use green onions, hopefully for the whiskers. So we'll see how it turns out. Okay. Rice. And what kind of shape are we gonna try and make today? Well, yeah, an oval for the face, but what kind of animal?
A bunny.
Yeah, we're gonna make a bunny rabbit today.
Consomme, ketchup, okay, 炒めます。ケチャップがいっぱい出たね。ありがとう。卵。
かわいい。
うわあ、美味しそうだね。くまさん作ってみます。できたー。乾杯。
Cheers.
いただきます。
いただきます。So good. Oto-chan, this is a very good recipe.
どうかな。
おいしい。
美味しい。美味しい。Yeah, so good.
感謝。
You say arigato,
ありがとう。
Oto-chan, and Sachiko. Sachiko. Good job. Good job. Thank you guys.
Next time, please tell us Italian food.
いただきます。
じゃあね、またね、バイバイ。
Thank you guys.